Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back?
Well, folk down here. Yes, we do.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a little tutorial for the It from Lowe's that we bought last year at the end of the season. Not sure if they have this on the website again this year or not. We haven't looked because we already have it. But we're going to set it up and at least let you see what it looks like in case you find one you're wanting to buy. And if Lowe's has it again, then you can get it. We think it's pretty cool. The It TV show is getting ready to come out, so we thought we'll get this up early and have it ready, and that way we can kind of have it in here while we're watching the It TV show this year, which is cool.
Spooky season.
All right, so this one's very simple to set up, so it'll be a very short video. You have its bottom; it's already got the feet and everything attached. You've got your two lower legs that goes on it. I forgot, I think these two go on it. And then these two middle pieces just go in it.
You know, and honestly, what I was thinking too, if you can catch one of these on sale and you're not a big It fan, you can actually turn this into like one of the headless ghosts, do a little dyeing on his material, have him strung up with some fishing line, paint up his hands a little bit. We may look into doing that. That would be neat. Or the headless horseman. You can use him as a headless horseman prop.
Hey, I seen that. You hit me in the head with that. You did that on purpose, didn't you? That's worse when we had Frankenstein in here. He kept grabbing my head. All right, so just pull that down over top of it.
Let's come around back here.
Yeah, and we'll open it up so we can actually feed it into the
Y'all, I died, something flew up out of here because we keep these in the building in their boxes. We take them up and everything, but I'm telling y'all, let y'all see me run quick.
all right, let's see. And the problem is trying to get this lined up with both of these little things at the same time so they slide together at the same time. There we go. On that. There we go. It's hanging on his arm a little bit. And the head is a little different from a lot of them. This one here actually just slides down on it, and the plug-in, it just slides into the plug-in, and it's got a little lock on the back of the head. Just so you can see, it's a little push button lock. It's a little different. That's the first one I've really seen that's like that out of the animatronics, that you don't like just plug it in or screw the head into it. And it just catches. I'm glad you're blowing it up. You're definitely full of hot air. So
I'm not turning over so everybody can see me. Hey, I do like this though, because with this, they do give you a bag of riblins. I mean, even if you run out, you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick you up a bag. But I love this touch. And he says, you'll float too.
Let's plug him in.
Poochie. You're a pretty nice boy. I bet you have a lot of friends.
And his sensor's right here.
Well, I'm Pennywise, dancing clown. Pennywise.
So I'm gonna turn that light off a little bit.
And I was trying to see, it says several phrases. I think it's 3 or 4.
Where are you going, Ed? If there is here, you'll be home by now. Come join the clown nest. You'll float down here. We'll float down here. Yes, we do.
And we do think he's pretty cool, but I give him probably, what do you say, an 8 out of a 10?
Yeah.
We like the ones that their mouth is moving. This one doesn't. But other than that, it's pretty cool.
It's a neat prop. We actually do our backyard in clowns with the tents. We have several clowns that we set up out there. He is. Excuse me, sir. He is one of the displays that we put out there. We do like him. He could be a little bit better. The hair for being outside, that's great. Like that's
Yeah,
perfect.
because it's like this is all hard. The head is all, it's pretty much just like all plastic. The hair is and everything. So it's not like some of the other ones that the hair was getting all blue everywhere and it'd get over their face and all that. So for outside prop, he's probably pretty good for that.
Yeah, and I will say that he did sit out there for quite a while because we do start decorating a little earlier back there where he doesn't have to mow because we have rocks. But we set him up and he actually lasted last year, like through the weathering.
No problem.
Like we can't complain. I do know some people, they'll wrap with plastic wrap on the inside, the motors and stuff. We haven't done that. We probably need to, but we haven't. But he held up like a champ last year. So trying to get everybody to float with him. So.
Well, that's it for the tutorial. Pretty cool prop if you're doing the circus stuff, and and even if you're not, I do think it said that it's supposed to be, it's outdoor or undercover, I think. We had him out in the open and we didn't do anything, and he was fine. It didn't have any issues. His electronics still works, and he still looks good. So, and that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us. Like and share, and then subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.